Merong cave bunker dyan, kaya lang.
Malayo na.
Oh, basta day. Nala ako. Super na kayo.
Hard stop. Malapit na dito yung cave bunker. Tingnan natin.
Colorful. Going down the hill, folks. Going down the hill. Pero hindi daw yung steps dyan. Sa kabila daw, the other side. Nalampasan tayo. Anong view? Florence, yung papel mo.
No, okay. This is a cancel. Kasi ako, ng hagdan. Doon tayo.
Oh, pero hagdan mo lang. 500. Oh, dito.
Tapos pagbaba mo na daw. Dito kami. Bahala kayo dyan. Be safe.
Let's go. Para makauwi tayong makakain.
Oo nga. Sa may railing tayo. We're gonna go down by the steps. At least there is a railing there. The other side, there's no railing. Oh, you're gonna go without the railing? Mas madali naman daw pala eh. Di, sige.
Mas madali, di siya.
Yeah. Yung kwan siguro yon, yung sinakyan din natin. Oh.
Well, if we did the train, we're done already.
Minsan lang paakyat, minsan pababa. This is how many steps? 400 steps going down.
That's a shortcut.
Oh, shortcut when you fell. Wow, okay lang naman pala, wag lang maigalis. Madali lang pala to. Not that bad. Oh, we're here. Who is he?
Hello! Sorban! Kumusta?
Kayo.
Ha? LA!
LA yung mga yan.
Sana. Saan na?
LA. Oh, our cousin.
That's Christopher Ponders. Oh, hi. Hi, Christopher. See Christopher.
Mama, what you talk about donuts? Oh, dati Chris na.
That's Chris. Okay, Daddy. Bun nga rod, bayadan na. Ay, dagitan ni imalis dat. Naimbag angam dagiti ubing mihay kaya dati freedom. Anda nga makaipon. Bayadan da amin. We met friends from Sacramento and from Ilocos and La Union. Oh, this is the 400 steps. Okay. Ah, gotcha. Ito na pala yun. Ito naman na pala yung 400 steps.
Yan plus 408.
Ah, ayan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tapos 10.
Plus 408.
So, ilan lahat?
418 nga.
418 steps. I don't know how to count. Yeah, you finally found the steps. 418 steps ka no.
Okay. Let's go.
Antay ko down.
Let's go.
Tara na, para makapunta na sa harbor.
Alam mo lagi number ni ko.
One ay Florence ka niya dyan? JJ. Harbor first. Ay. Beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful this place. Allison.
Dette er en bokjung på Island. Torio?
Dua. Ay. Oh, look at that. Beautiful place. And all the way down at the top there. The 367 steps now. Wow.
They used to be Norwegian, but now they're based in Miami. The original company was Norwegian, and now they're based in Miami. Norwegian, yeah. Costa is in, well, their ships are registered in Italy, but the main company is the American. Yeah, that's rare. It's a rare opportunity.
Oh. Oh, coming! 323 steps with the guapo. Wow, what a view. Huh? We're going? Okay.
Isso. Arrasou, coração.
Sila naman ang aalis. Ako lagi nahuhuli.
Dami-dami kan eh. Picture kayo ng
Ah, sige. O baka naman yung ano.
pa kayo ngaginan.
Kaya kuhanan ko lang yun doon sa floor by rampan.
Guys, I thought it was.
Non-stop na picture.
Tell me upstairs.
Parang
Ito ang highlight ng Alisand. Highlight ng Alisand, Norway. So I guess we shouldn't have been at the top. But anyway, it's nice because at least we went and explored at the very top. But this is actually the best part. It's the highlights. You don't have to go all the way at the top. It's just this. Only this is the highlights. That's all. After all those walking at the top. "61 steps." Wow.
Oh, beautiful.
82 more steps.
Very comfortable. Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, canyon pala. Pababa na. Hindi ko alam kung ilang steps na yan. 2 ways to go down. Kuya went to the other way. Kami dito. Babalik ka pa sa ship? Hindi na. Hindi. Andito na ulit. Oh, nakabalik. Ay, oo nga, no? Pwede yan? Pwede yan? Oh. Oh. Sige, pwede. Oh. Tired. Oh? Hindi ah. You're building muscle na mag-exercise ka. Well, hindi ko alam kung ano yung... Hindi naman ako yung cook. Nagkaroon na ako ng notification. Oh, sige, sasara. Ah, ganyan pala magsara. Pakahirap. Tan yung sasakyan niya, Ed daw. Si Ed. Ed. Ed shit. Ewan ko bakit. Kasi doon. There's a marathon coming. Oh wow, it's gonna start over here. That's why they were like singing this morning. I heard. Ang babaeng to, naka $36.